Welcome, fellow weirdos. I'm your host, Papa Za. Here at Weird Wild Pizza, we make weird pizza with wild sourdough. Check out the link below for our pizza dough recipe. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to join the weirdest pizza quest in the galaxy. 3 meatball pizzas. 3 IKEA-inspired Swedish meatball pizza. Prepare toppings. On a parchment paper lined baking sheet, spread out half a bag of IKEA meatballs. Bake at 435 degrees for 15 minutes. Make sauce. Boil 300 mils of water, about a cup and a quarter. Add IKEA gravy mix. Add 50 mils of cream, about a quarter cup. Lower heat to medium-low. Whisking often. Reserve 1 cup of IKEA gravy. IKEA gravy. Lingonberry jam. Slice meatballs in half. Add meatballs to gravy pot and mix. IKEA meatballs. Great cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Make pizza. Flour. Roll dough. Flour lightly as needed. Flour pizza peel and slide it under the dough. 1 cup IKEA gravy. 2 cups mozzarella cheese. 2 cups IKEA meatballs in gravy. Pat down. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of lingonberry jam to each slice. IKEA Meatball Pizza. Eat it. We got ourselves an IKEA Meatball Pizza with lingonberry jam. Oh my god. Two. Spaghetti and meatball pizza. Prepare toppings. Ground beef, egg, ketchup, Worcestershire, oregano, basil, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, breadcrumbs. Mix very well. Make 12 to 16 meatballs. Parchment paper lined baking pan. Bake meatballs for 20 minutes at 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Add tomato sauce to a large saucepan. Heat on medium until it bubbles, stirring occasionally. Add your meatballs. Turn off heat. Mix well. Coat all those balls. Cover. Boil a large pot of water on high heat. Add salt. Mix. Cover. Spaghetti noodles. Stirring occasionally. Boil 8 to 10 minutes. Turn off heat. Strain noodles over the sink. Add them back to the pot. Remove meatballs with slotted spoon. Add remaining sauce to noodles. Mix well. Reserve 2 cups of spaghetti. Slice meatballs in half. Grate cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Make sauce. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. Boil. Basil, salt, pepper. Mince garlic, mix well. Garlic herb oil. Make pizza. Flour. Roll dough. Flour lightly as needed. Flour pizza peel. Slide peel under the dough. Garlic herb oil. Spaghetti. Mozzarella cheese. Meatballs. Parmesan cheese. Pat down. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Spaghetti and meatball pizza. Eat it. It's a spaghetti and meatball pizza. Oh, that's so good. It's spaghetti-tastic. 1. A cocktail meatball pizza. Prepare toppings. Beef, egg, sourdough breadcrumbs, water, salt, pepper, mix well. Meatball mix. Baking pan, parchment paper. Roll approximately 25 meatballs. Bake meatballs at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 15 to 20 minutes or until done. Grape jelly, tomato sauce, brown sugar, white vinegar, allspice, medium heat. Cook 10 to 12 minutes. stirring frequently. Add meatballs. Cook 8 to 10 minutes. Remove meatballs with slotted spoon. Make sauce. Reserve 1 cup of your meatball sauce. Cocktail meatball sauce. Grate your cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Cut meatballs in half. Cocktail meatballs. Make pizza. Flour surface. Roll your dough. Flour lightly when needed. Flour your pizza peel and put it under the dough. 1 cup cocktail meatball sauce. 2 cups mozzarella cheese. 3 cups cocktail meatballs. Pat down well. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching Weird Wild Pizza. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. If you got a pizza challenge, leave a comment below. And be sure to check out what's up next.